Well, I would say that, as Jim mentioned, we had a flood in 1993. We had another flood in 2008. And over the 5, 6, 7 years that followed, we had several more flood events, not to the
14.
magnitude of 2008, but enough that we had overtopped roads and our primary arterial ingress and egress out of the city was blocked for weeks at a time, and became this 100-year or 500-year nomenclature became somewhat meaningless, because those conceptualize a once in 500 year or once in 100 year occurrence. Well, we were seeing that every couple of years, and so we just knew that we needed to get to a higher level of building, and so we did the best we could, but also being mindful of aesthetic concerns and cost and things like that.